Hey friends, I wanted to share with you a tool for translating documents in Google Docs, and this works in other Google Suite items too. I just don't know that everyone's completely aware of this tool, and with so many of our students being multi-language learners, this is a really quick time-saving way to translate your documents and make a translated copy of it so that you don't have to copy and paste into translator tools or any of those things. You can just literally instantly make a document copied in the translated version. Now, I will say with most translation apps, regardless of which ones they are, your best bet is always going to be to make sure that the English is correct, because it's going to only be as good as the English. But let's say that you have this document here that you need to make a Spanish copy of, or any other language. You can come up to Tools, come down to Translate Document. It's going to make a copy in your drive. See where it says translated copy? A copy of your drive, or your document into your drive, and you can choose from a massive list of other languages. So, and a lot of the students at our school, the Hmong is in here, Pashto I think is in here. There are a lot of different ones. I'm gonna just choose Spanish, and what I would do is, instead of doing translated, I would just say Spanish copy of character cards assignment and hit translate. It's creating a whole new document. You can see here you keep your English version and it'll come over here and it will create a Spanish version. So this is a super handy tool, and I know that a lot of you guys are already aware of it, but if you're struggling to help those MLL students, this is really going to save you a lot of time and frustration when you're trying to translate those documents. And I'm sorry it doesn't have every language, but this is at least a good starting place.